ito ay close hold. Now, ang tawag na to? Close hold. Yung isa, hold, kung may close hold, ay open hold. Ang open hold, hihingin lang ni leader yung dalawang kamay. Okay, so ito ang open hold. So magsisimula tayo sa close hold. Okay, ganito na close hold. Okay, now, ito na ha. Sino leader? Okay, now, ito na. Paano ba nasa-challenge si Brain sa inda bukod sa pag-aaral ng sayaw? Bawat figure, lalagyan natin ng pangalan. Dapat alam ni Brain, pag sinabi ko yung pangalan ng figure, alam ni Brain kung paano i-execute. Okay, figure number 1, madalit lang, ang pangalan is A. Yung ginawa natin kanina, leader, start lang sa kaliwang paa. Follower, mag-i-start sa kanan. Huwag yung data. Leader, kaliwang paa. Follower, kanan. Ready? Ang pangalan nito is play. 5, 6, and in play. 1 and 2 and 3 and 5. 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 Ulit. Ang pangalan? Okay. Okay. Sunod na tayo. Pagkabi lang ko. Pangalawa ay side. So, on the left side, pupunta lang sa side sa side. Side by side. Leader is there sa kaliwa, follower sa kanan. Kahit anong mangyari, hindi papalitan ng 1, 2, 3, 5. Ready? Go! 1 and 2 and 3 and 5. 1 and 2 and 3 again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 5. Okay? Pangatlo. Mario at forward and back. Leader, fall down, forward muna, start sa kaliwa. Follower, start sa kanan, going back, then babalik sa pwesto. Ayan, ready? Forward back, figure number 3, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. 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 Okay, marami na ako nakikitang footwork na mali. Alright, leader, start natin sa kaliwa. Follower kanan. Okay. Now, ganito sa. Minsan kasi,
nagawin na.
Brain over body. Si brain na nagkukunan sa katawan. Ilang figures na? Tatlo. In place, side, forward, back. Ready? In place. Leader, start sa kaliwang paa, follower kanan. 5, 6, and in place. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. 1 and 2 and 3 again. In place. 2, 3, stop. Ready for the side. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. 1 and 2. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. Forward back. Go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. 1 and 2. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. Music. Music natin.
Taga-video ako.
Ready on my cue, in place, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and stop. 1, 2, in place again. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. 1, 5. 1 more time. Forward back, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. 1 and 2 and again. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. Okay, alright. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, pangilan? Pangilan na? Pang-apat. Ang pang-apat na figure, 1 and 2 and open, hold, 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. Okay? Let's figure number 4. Memorize nyo kasi mamaya, isasapol natin yan. Okay, next. Figure number 5. Corner to corner. Okay. Bakit tinawag na corner to corner? Kailangan umarap tayo sa dalawang corner. Ang front corner at ang back corner. So, leader, start sa kaliwa, follower kanan, haharap tayo sa front corner muna. 1, 2, 3, papatid. Go! 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. Pero, yung stop, instead na nasa side ng isang paa, stop forward. Point forward. Okay, ay inner foot, tama. Okay, pag yung isang paa ay naka-point outward ng mali. Okay, ano nga yung rule? Kung sino yung naka-point sa paa, sa yung gagalaw. So, sa back corner naman, go! 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. Then, harap again. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. Ano pangalan yan? Ano pangalan yan? Ito corner. Pangilan? Pangilan. Okay. Okay, Kirso. Ito kami natin. From open hole, go with corner to corner. Ready? 5, 6, 5, go. 1 and 2 and open hole. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. 1 and 2 and 3 again. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. Okay? Okay? From the top, in place, side, forward, back, open hole, corner to corner. Ready? In place, on the cue. And 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. 1 and 2 and 3 again. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. Ready for the side, go. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. Forward, back, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. 1 and 2.
Nagbibideo ako. Ay, ay.
Open hole.
Dito tayo, dito tayo.
2 and 3 and stop. 1 and 2. One more. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. Okay. Alright. Madali pa, no? Pagalawin na natin sa pwesto. Okay. Galaw na tayo. Okay. Figure number 6. Change place. Okay. So from the word change place, magpapalit ng pwesto. Okay. Pag narinig ni brain ang change place, ang tendency, alam kasi ni brain yung word na change place. So pag narinig ni brain ang change place, ang gusto niya agad gawin, magpalit ng pwesto. Okay. Pero sa batsata, magpe-prepare muna. May preparation muna ng isang side. Pag narinig ni brain ang word na change place or activity na change place, may isang preparation muna. Ready? Isang side, go! 2 and 3 and stop. Okay. Now, di ba ang rule kung sino nakatap, siya yung gagalaw. Kailangan magpalit ng pwesto. Para hindi magkakumbuan, ang iisipin nyo, kanang balikat sa kanang balikat. Okay. Leader, ang gagalaw sa inyo pa-forward ay kanang paa. Kay follower, ano paa? Kaliwa, kasi yung nakatap. So, ang bilang pa din ay 1, 2, 3 tap. Papakita muna namin. Up, ayun. Last namin. And, yes, okay, ready? And, 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. Okay? Hindi na bago. 1, 2, 3 tap pa din. Balik tayo, balik. Okay. Figure number 6, tama po ba? Change place. Isang side. 1 and 2 and 3 pa left, 1 up. Mali. Ano na? Anong balikat? Kanang balikat sa kanang balikat. Yan. Balik, balik, balik. Yan na, medyo gumagalaw na. Natatalent na si brain. Ready? Isang side, bago magpalit, go. 1 and 2 and 3 pa left, 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. Leader, ano nakatap na paa? Leader? Left. Follower? Right. Okay. Para makabalik sa pwesto, isang side ulit, then palit ng pwesto. Right shoulder to right shoulder pa rin. And go. 1, ano dapat? Isang side muna, preparation. Isang side muna. Ready? Go. 1 up. Isang side muna, isang side, preparation, and go. 1 and 2 and 3 pa left, 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. That's the change place. Okay, now, listen. Sa batsata, pag narinig ni brain ang change place na figure, ang tatandaan nyo, one side preparation pa left. One side preparation pa left. Yan ang tatandaan ni brain, ha? Ready? Change place. Isang side preparation. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 pa left. 1, 2, side prepare. 1 and 2 and 3 pa left. 1, 2, 3, stop. Okay? Music, please. Alright. Change place lang, change place. On my cue, change place, isang side preparation. 5, 6, 7, side prepare. 1, 2, 3 pa left. Side. 1, 2, 3 pa left. Change place. Side. 1, 2, 3 pa left. Last one. 1, 2, 3 pa left. Habang sabot in place also. In place. And side. 1, 2, 3, hands up. One more. 1, 2. Forward, back, go. 1, 2, 3, hands up. Isa pa. 1, 2. Okay, isang side. Open hold. Corner, go. 1, 2, 3, stop. And again. 1, 2, 3. How about change this isang side? 1, 2 pa left. Side. 1, 2 pa left. One more try. 1, 2 pa left. Last. 1, 2, 3 pa left. In place. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. Okay.